Nikki, the camera is rolling.
Sorry.
Start. The camera was rolling.
Hello, welcome back to the English Dictionary channel. So, today, remember to subscribe, turn the notification bell on so you never miss a video. So for today, we are going to be singing.
So you want to sing? Don't you want to sing?
Yes.
So we'll say this song has two parts. I will sing and you respond. You know the solo is that thing, huh?
Yeah.
So I say, Anindo mwalo, and you say, Suna kayongea. Anindo mwalo, Suna kayongea. Anindo mwalo, Suna kayongea. Anindo mwalo,
Suna kayongea.
Anindo mwalo, kadana mwalo.
Suna kayongea.
Anindo mwalo, Suna kayongea. Anindo mwalo, kadana mwalo. Suna kayongea. Suna gima ugo kodoro kodoro. Suna kayongea. Nindo mwalo, kadana mwalo. Suna kayongea. Suna gima ugo kodoro kodoro.
Suna kayongea.
Anindo mwalo, kadana mwalo.
Suna kayongea.
Suna gima ugo kodoro kodoro. Suna kayongea. Suna kayongea. Suna gima ugo. Now, Suna is mosquito. Maugo is sesefly.
What's a sessifly? Oh, yeah, that one which makes you go to sleep.
Yes. So this song says, I'm sleeping at my grandma's place, and mosquitoes and seseflies are biting my back. So anindo mwalo,
Suna
Stop.
kayongea.
anindo mwalo, kadana mwalo.
Suna kayongea.
Suna gimaugo.
Suna kayongea. Suna kayongea.
You are not even good singers. You must Suna kayongea. Say like that. Suna kayongea. So say like that. Suna kayongea.
Suna kayongea.
Suna kayongea.
Suna kayongea.
So you can enjoy this song. Remember, those songs were sung to kids when they were during the harvesting time, so that they would just learn the Luo language. And we'll look for, if you have songs that you think we should sing, please tell us in the notification, the comment section below, and maybe perhaps we shall do that as a video. Peace. Nikki. Peace, 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 peace.